Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman, and today we're talking about insurance for solar contractors. The solar energy industry in the United States is growing really rapidly, and that's because as a percentage of all the energy that we use as a country on an annual basis, solar energy only is about 2% of that. So when entrepreneurially minded people think about what kinds of businesses they want to be in for the long term, they think about solar energy. And there are all different types of solar energy entrepreneurs and jobs out there. There are solar engineering, procurement, and construction firms, or EPC firms. There are solar O&M providers, or operations and maintenance providers. There are solar financing companies. There are solar developers that are putting together community solar projects. And then you have the solar contractors who are actually doing the work and putting these systems together for all these companies. And when an entrepreneur starts a business, they're usually not thinking about the downsides of what could be going on in their business. They're not focused on risk management, probably not thinking about insurance. They're just focused on sales, and they're focused on running their business. And then what happens is they'll get a project and they'll find out that they're either legally required to have certain insurance, or they are having insurance required to be put on them by the client. And what they do is they call an administrative person and they say, hey, we need certain insurance, and the admin gets it, and then they have insurance, but they don't really know what they have. They haven't read through their policies. They don't know what exclusions are in there. And so it really pays dividends to not do it that way, and to work with a broker that actually understands and is an expert in insurance in your particular industry. And so there are 5 different types of insurance that every solar contractor should have. There's general liability, there's professional liability, there's workers' compensation, there's property insurance, and then there's hired and non-owned auto or auto insurance if you have any vehicles. And below this video, I have a free downloadable checklist that goes into detail on all these different types of insurance, and also includes 5 potentially catastrophic exclusions that you absolutely don't want to see in any of your insurance policies as a solar contractor. So anyway, feel free to download the free checklist. It's right in the link below. And if you have questions about your insurance, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me. I love answering your questions. And thanks again. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck and have a great day.